The only way you can possibly manage home wiring projects safely is to understand how electricity works and how it is delivered from the street to the outlets in your home. The most essential quality to appreciate about electricity is that the typical amounts that flow through the wires in your home can be fatal if you contact it directly. Sources estimate that up to 1,000 people are electrocuted accidentally in the U.S. every year. Home wiring can be a very satisfying task for do-it-yourselfers, but if you don't know what you're doing or are in any way uncomfortable with the idea of working around electricity, do not attempt it. Electricity that enters the home is produced by large power plants. Power plants are located in all parts of the country and generate electricity with generators that are turned by water, wind, or steam. From these plants, electricity enters large, step-up transformers that increase voltage to 500,000 volts or more. Electricity flows at these high voltages and travels through high-voltage transmission wires to communities that can be hundreds of miles from the power plants. Step-down transformers located at substations then reduce the voltage for distribution along street wires. On utility power poles, smaller transformers further reduce the voltage to ordinary 120-volt or 240-volt electricity for household use. Wires carrying electricity to a house either run underground or are strung overhead and attached to a post called a service mast. Most homes built after 1950 have 3 wires running to the service head, 2 power wires, each carrying 120 volts or 240 volt, and a grounded neutral wire. Electricity from the 2 120-volt wires may be combined at the service panel to supply electricity to large 240-volt appliances such as clothes dryers or electric water heaters. Incoming electricity passes through a meter that measures electricity consumption. Electricity then enters the service panel, where it is distributed to circuits that run throughout the house. The service panel also contains fuses or circuit breakers that shut off power to the individual circuits in the event of a short circuit or an overload. Certain high-wattage appliances, such as microwave ovens, are usually plugged into their own individual circuits to prevent overloads.